This is the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here.
This down here is the Jumping Sumo, and we're going to talk about it next.
You're watching CES 2014 coverage of the Tech Podcast Network. TPN.TV partners include Gazelle.com. Turn in your old iPhone into cash. Visit TPN.TV/cash.
All right, continuing coverage of CES 2014. Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine. I'm here with Tomas, and you've got the Jumping Sumo here. What is this thing?
What is this? Is a rolling robot connected to a smartphone or tablet, which has a camera in the nose, so that you have live video streaming when you are piloting it, so you can see the video from.
You almost stepped on that thing.
I avoided it. I avoided. I could see the feet of everybody, so I can avoid it by just turning very quickly like that.
Okay.
You have 90-degree turn because inside you have a accelerometer and gyroscope, which means we can make very accurate moves.
Okay.
Also the U-turn like that, so you're going somewhere, can avoid obstacles and everything like that.
All right. It's gonna be a little jumpy because he's bouncing back and forth. So it's using the gyroscope, and of course you can do swipe to do the hard
swipe
turns.
for the U-turns and 90-degree turns. You can make some swipes. It's very easy to control.
Okay.
And then you have some animations programs, some little dance like the spin, which is a cool one. You have also nice feature that you have two modes of controlling it with the extended wheels.
Yeah. Here, I'll hold on to that while you do.
Thank you. Extended wheels and stretched wheels, so that you can go in more narrow spaces and turn faster.
Okay, and you can see from the iPad Mini here. Let me just. Whoa! Did I just make a jump?
Yeah, you made a jump. Easy, right?
Let me just point this to the camera. This is what's seen. You see the camera right there. As he's moving around, so that's how you get your point of view, so you can make your turns and go from there. So how did I make it jump?
Okay, you have one button. Approve the jump.
Let's bring it over here again, so we got it. Actually, what we're gonna do is when we come back, we'll make it jump. So stick around. We'll be right back. All right, we'd like to thank our 2014 sponsor, Gazelle. You can sell your devices for cash. Now, we're here at a trade show that shows off new products. So you might have the old version of that tablet or that smartphone, and now you know that there's a new version out and you're going to go buy it. So go over to Gazelle right now and lock down the rate for your device. And then when it's time to buy that new one, then you've got that lockdown rate and go from there. Gazelle, they have smartphones, tablets, computers. They can then redistribute it, or if it needs to be recycled, they'll do it properly, the green and efficient way. Check it all out. Go over to TPN.TV/cash, TPN.TV/cash, and thank you very much for being a sponsor over at TPN.TV. All right, we're back.
You want to catch it?
Do I want to catch it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it right here. I gotta catch it. It's kind of a. Give me a countdown or something. Okay. Whoa! So I don't have to bend down at all to pick it up. I just hit the button and it just jumps up in my hand.
That's it.
That's pretty cool. So let's talk about availability. Let's talk about price points.
The availability will be this year, and the price is not fixed yet.
Okay.
So 2014 for Jumping Sumo. Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
And it's great. What's the megapixel camera on this thing?
The camera is VGA, and we stream QVGA quality to have a good range of piloting without too many loss in the pictures. So that's it.
And it works off of a wireless router, or does it?
We use Wi-Fi 5 giga, so we have an extended connection.
Okay.
Even at CES, which is very difficult to control by Wi-Fi, I could still.
Does it have a direct connection if I'm not in a Wi-Fi area?
Yeah, you have a direct connection in between.
Yeah.
Them, and you don't use a router for the connection, so you can control it anywhere.
All right. Well, there you go. And it's actually very lightweight, as you can see. I'm just holding it with a couple fingers here. A great product right here. Thank you very much, Thomas, for your time.
Thank you.
There you go. It's all at Parrot. You can check Parrot.com, right?
Yeah. Parrot.com, yes.
There you go. Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine.com and the Tech Podcast Network, where we got the great tech coming to you. Lots of videos over at CES 2014, so check it out over at TPN.TV.